Okay, here we are, February, finishing the basement. We had put in a drain to daylight. It's nice when you can do that. And here, if you see down here, this thing never stops running. Never stops running. So, but now they have no sump pump, which I used to burn through one a year because of this, because there's just no end to it. It's just a groundwater must be. And the one next to here is the downspouts. They kind of help dry it up around the house. The ones on the upside of the home. So I was just curious to see if it's still running now in the winter time, because it's every time I've been there it runs. In the fall it was running quite a bit, pretty heavy. But it's see here, kind of made our way through all this here. You can't even tell we were there, all the way up to the home. So that's the best way to fix a water problem.